Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. So we are here to discuss ACCA paper management accounting, which is F2 of the foundation's paper. F2 is MA, management accounting. So discussing the syllabus for August till valid till August 2022. After that, there will be some minor changes, but it won't affect our studies ahead. So going through the content intellectual level, the ACCA will tell you how it broadens your knowledge, then the learning hours it has put into in making the syllabus and the recognition of this course, then the qualification structure, guide to ACCA examination, assessment, then relational diagram, like how this paper MA is linked with other papers such as SBL, advanced performance management and performance management, that this course will lay the basics for these courses ahead in future. Then approach to the syllabus, aim of the syllabus, introduction, a syllabus detail guide. So moving on, we will see that the qualification structure to get the diploma in accounting and business for ACCA, you need to pass this paper, business and technology. So refer to my video, intro to business and technology for this, where I've explained about this course, which is also F1. Now we are studying F2, management accounting. After that, financial accounting, F3, and then this course of foundations and professional, which I will explain in later in my video. So moving on, see 100% compulsory questions to be attempted and passing marks is 50%. So out of 100, you need only 50 marks to pass. And this will be a CBE paper, computer-based examination. Computer-based examination. So moving forward, the relational diagram linking to other papers. As I discussed, that strategic business leadership, which is one of the compulsory papers, then advanced performance management, one of the ACCA optional paper, performance management, which is the last paper of the foundation module of ACCA. Then, as you can see here, that this course will help you in all three of these subjects. How we will learn that while studying. Then the approach to the syllabus, that section A will contain 35 2-mark objective test questions and 3 10-mark multitask questions, each of which will examine budgeting, standard costing, and performance measurement. So these are the 3 core areas where it will be tested in section B. So here, if we read the note, that budgeting MTQs in section B can also include tasks from B to forecasting techniques. What are forecasting techniques? We will learn them while studying. So moving on to the syllabus. As I discussed in my previous video of business and technology, that the course is divided from A, B, C, D, E, and F. So seeing the part A of the course, nature, source, purpose of management information. So as we can see the syllabus, that it includes accounting for management, sources of data, cost classification, presenting information. So these 4 part contains section A. Then part B of the syllabus, data analysis, statistical techniques. You know the importance of data analytics in the organization, how it helps accountants and how it helps the organization in simplifying the methods and processing large data. So you will learn about the sampling methods, forecasting techniques, summarizing and analyzing data, and about spreadsheets, how they will help you in the management accounting. Then part C of the syllabus, cost accounting techniques. So the cost accounting techniques will include accounting for material, labor, overheads. Then these are 2 methods of costing, absorption and marginal costing. Then what are the cost accounting methods? Then alternative cost accounting principles. So this will cover your cost accounting techniques. Then part D of the syllabus, budgeting. So budgeting, standard costing, performance, measurement. These are the core areas. As we discussed, the section B will contain questions from these areas. So moving on to budgeting. Budgeting will involve nature and purpose of budgeting, budget preparation, how you will create the budgets, flexible budgets, then capital budgeting, discounted cash flow, then budgetary control reporting, behavioral aspects of budgeting. So these will help you in decision making. Then moving to part E, standard costing. So standard costing system, variance calculation, analysis, reconciliation of budgeted and actual profit. Then part F, performance measurement. So performance measurement overview, application, cost reduction, value enhancement, monitoring, performance and reporting. So this will cover your management accounting. So we will discuss about them later in our syllabus. So this was the introduction to this paper. This is also a CBE paper. So as we can see that there are 35 marks, 35 2-mark objective test questions, and section B contains 3 10-mark multitask questions where there are different types of scenarios presented to you. So we will learn about them and we will practice how to opt these